Welcome to a tutorial on adding a manual loan. Once the applicant is on the loan information page, they can select their recommended approach. They will then see the Add Your Loans card. The applicant can then select the Manually Enter Your Loans button. Once on the Add Manual Loan page, the applicant must enter all the required information. The required documents will change depending on the type of loan selected. The applicant can attach the loan documents at a later given time and are not mandated to upload them at the time of entering the manual loan, but they will be stopped prior to submission. The attached loan documents will be displayed under the loan documents table. The applicant has an ability to click on the remove button to delete them. Once the applicant enters all the required information and clicks on the save button, the system shall add their manually entered loans successfully. Then the applicant has an ability to either delete or edit their manual loans. The applicant shall click the save and continue button to successfully save their uploaded loan.